Hey guys, hope you had a great weekend. It's Monday, the 29th of March. I am in a county meeting today. I'm actually here in the building, so if you have an emergency, let me know. We'll be in the language lab. Today you are going to look at chromatic numbering of graphs. You're still going to go here to your Unit 9, Networks and Graphs. Enter the Google site. You can use the drop down here to go to chromatic numbering of graphs. So you're going to use the following videos to take notes. There are two. So here's one. Here's the second one. Now guys, this would be, I really want you to try this after you've taken your notes. Just go into this site, and start a quiz. Just, you can click on here and preview these questions. They're great questions. It'll tell you what the right answers are. If you get it wrong, look at the right answers and see if you can figure out why they are the right answers. It's a good way to just get your skills brushed up and to make sure that you understood what you were taking notes on here. And then after the videos, I want you to complete the practice in your packet, and here are the videos to go with that practice work. All right, I hope you have a great Monday. Again, if you finish up, you can go back through any of the lessons here on our Google site for Networks and Graphs. You can start at the beginning and go through any lesson that you just feel like maybe I need a little bit more. So anyway, have a great day, and I will also be in a meeting tomorrow, but I will see you Wednesday.